You see what the first spawn does, Glaive. They obviously play by spawn, but the nades, but after that they don't. So he's gonna molly deep. Nade deep. Notice his pathing with the E-box. Smokes deep. It's a deep nade from a teammate. Now he's gonna get con control. Works his way into con control. See what Dupree does here. He'll be the second spawn. So he'll do the close molly. And then he'll go to ladder. So what he does is he listens for the drop, given that he doesn't have the spawn. He'll hear them drop, and then he plays off that. And he just plays on ladder. Pretty standard. Isk takes the role that Glaive had last time. Notice the pathing. Comes through old bomb, and he's gonna flash Olaf for his teammate. And he's taking contact with his teammates. Gonna do a deep nade. Could also deep molly, deep smoke for his teammate there. So that position's always kind of playing the support role. Take a look, kind of what it looks like from the T's perspective. Nobody went con, obviously. Kind of tough to get through that. Dumping lots of utility early to get control. Here's one more example. Last round half. You see Dupree use his nade set usually when he has the best spawn. He just smokes, complete anti, straight to ladder, takes the fight. That's only when he has the best spawn, and he has ladder control. Magus has the second spawn. So you see there's a couple routes that they like to take that kind of repeat. Magus is going to jump on the bomb train knee deep and get the sandwich. Sandwich pushes through. He's all his utility. Glaive, re-smoke. So Glaive, we'll take that old bomb pathing. Molly Olaf for his teammate. See, this is a specific nade they like. See exactly where it goes. Close angle. Alright, here's another round. A little bit different here. Glaive didn't have the best spawn, so he's going to utilize a different nade set. So he utilizes the flash, his teammate's going to molly. And then he's going to use his molly to take ladder control. They get contact, so he starts dumping utility and fighting. Take a look at Dupree. The close molly, then nade, follows his red train, makes some contact. Seems like they both had the idea that they want to fight for a ladder this round. Dupree slips a ladder. And Magus takes up the rotator role since the other two had the better spawns. Watch the nade set he throws. Ends up getting a kill with it, I believe. Molly Olaf, nade Olaf, spin smoke. Ends up getting good, but yeah, just another option. Just gonna watch some standard protocols. So we have first guy, he's gonna molly. Olaf, get flash for his teammate. Sandwich Shivak comes out, protocols to smoke the left, and they're gonna fight ladder. Transition into mid round, they're gonna try to get ladder control. That's with Dupree. himself in, take ladder control. Now they're set for the mid round. Watch it from the other perspectives. So we have Dupree being the ladder guy, this one. So he's gonna molly as well. Usually they do a close molly and a deep molly. They both did the deep by accident here. Mid's deep. Here's him ladder. If he knows not to challenge that, not a favorable fight. So he waits for his teammate's support. Clears that angle. Flashes for himself. Ladder control, now we have the mid round. Time from Glaive. Glaive plays the rotator, so that would be my position, or usually the op rotate. They have their static op, usually Ivy. He takes his pathing a lot. Flashes for his teammate Olaf. He's just running around throwing nades. Now, I think the reason why they have Glaive doing this is because it's kind of a waste to have your op running around throwing grenades. So he's static Ivy instead of holding nades out. But he's just supporting his teammates. You see in the top left, they just had one across the brown hall, so Glaive might look at rotating soon. They just get comms. His teammate S3 tag. So this guy made contact. Yeah, pretty simple. Here's just another quick example of the delayed ladder control with a bad spawn. So Dupree's just going to go straight to bomb, grenade, molly, get close, use a ladder. Just notice pathing, like it's very fluid for this, that's why it chooses to nade from bomb first. So we got the nade, he's in the right spot to molly. There's no contact there, so it's free to go to ladder. And he just slips in ladder. Take a look at the other players. I guess has the second best spawn. Flashes Olaf. Just plays for contact. Interesting lineup nade. We're good enough for that. Last just gonna be Glaive. Thought he was gone, but I guess Magus has the spawn. So he goes the old bomb route. Holds all his mates here, which is a little strange. And then he rotates inside, so maybe that was a comp from his teammates. Or maybe since he's playing Ivy, he wants to hold his nades. I don't know. It's just overtime, so the game has evolved a lot, but see Dupree's nade set here is really good. He's really good with his nade. It's a deep molly, instantly deep nade, gets the sandwich with the flash for his teammate. Now they're mollying sandwich, so that's obviously different. It's overtime, so they're going back to what's comfortable, it works. Glaive takes his old bomb pathing. Molly. Quick always on the camera. It's their E-box sandwich protocol. Molly did play through it. And Magus, kind of the second spawn. Flash Olaf. So this would be their Olaf control. Molly's ladder. Fights ladder. They just dump all their this is a good one. This is their IV control, but you see they get a contact rush mid here. So watch Dupree, so he's the solo connector player. He's gonna try to do a standard protocol. He just nades deep, then Molly's ladder. So that was different from their standard protocol. He just naded deep, then mollied ladder. Magisk has the front Ivy spawn. He's usually their Ivy player, so he's gonna be popped into Ivy here. Now they obviously had contact. They were gonna set up for a flash. Take contact outside. His immediate reaction is to flank. That's obviously something they talked about, went over. Glaive is the third outside player. He posed for initial contact. He sets up for a flash from Magisk, but his teammates calm that it's an outside rush. We'll take a look at device here as well. So he's going to follow that old bomb pathing that they use in their standard protocol. Molly Olaf. That smoke's interesting. It must be for a Molly. He likes to play around it. A little bit of a one-way on back bomb. And yeah. Take a look from, looks like for the T's. You can see they're just running an execute, outside execute, for standard, 2 ladder, 3 taking on. Dupree is just one man fighting everything. The support from his Ivy player. Notice on the outside players' grenades that they literally have dumped pretty much everything. Alright, gonna take a look at another Ivy control round. This is without contact. Dupree's a solo outside player again, so he mollies deep. They like this nade combo, the molly deep nade, pushes the E-box smoke. Look at all the information he gets here. Clears con, it's con control. Hear the rotation. Probably gonna get a free kill. It's a kill, smokes it, has control. Take a look at what Glaive and Magisk do here. So Glaive always takes the flasher role in this. Not just immediately post for flash. Magisk gun out. They just get timing with the flash there. They call cancel. Magisk smokes and they fall off. Glaive reestablishes the bomb train position. That's generally where he plays when he's not rotating inner. He's not rotating inner because they have device inner this round. So he picks up ladder. Magisk plays outside of the 6 smoke. So if there were to be a smoke right here, they would all be on the right side of the smoke to fight and help each other. And we'll take a look at what Magisk does. Pretty standard. Just goes to Ivy. Notices pathing anti. So normally they think that flash is coming a little earlier. And then they get ready to make their play. They get timed. He just falls off, smokes. They got the info that it's there, good enough.